Hello and welcome back to the Dragon Chetan Epic YouTube channel. Today I, Dragon Chetan Epic, am going to show you how to exploit the vending machines. Well, as a struggling college student, you know that vending machines are your savior late night when you're feeling hungry. But you also have to realize that paying $2 for something you could get for 50 cents, that's not realistic. So today here, I am going to show you how to exploit these vending machines. Right here with me, I have a vending machine. A pretty typical vending machine which takes your insertion of your financial information and then you can enter what you want and it deducts that money from you. But what you fail to realize is that there's certain patches to this technology. Every technology has some sort of back door into it so that people who really need to do stuff with it know what to do with that. And now I am going to show you how to get into that exploit. Now, getting into it, cameraman, can you please zoom into this screen? Right here. Now what you want to do is press 6969420 three times. 6969420. Once more. 6969420. And then you press OK. And then after you do this, you select what you want. Now in this situation, I will select 507, and then it says insufficient credit right there, which means that you need to press 6969420 once more, and I will do that right here. As you can see, 6969420. Now press OK, and now once more I enter the details of what I want, which is 507. That is my bad. 507. And once you press OK, it says insufficient credit, which means that it's successful. And once you look in here, you will find your desired snack. Thank you for watching. This has been Dragon Chetan Epic. Please be epic and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Leave a like and subscribe. This really helps out the channel. And even comment if you enjoyed. Comment a vending machine if you've seen this far. Thank you for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.